Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we will be learning what is audio tag and video tag in HTML. So let's move to the SPCK editor application. I hope you have downloaded and seen the previous video. If not, please watch it because it's a recommended. Now we are working with basics of web development, and we have made this project using SPCK application. So if you have not downloaded, please download it and watch the previous video. First of all, now what is audio tag? So we will be learning audio tag in this audio tag in this tutorial. Audio tag plus video tag. Audio tag and video tag, we will be learning both the tags in this video only. So after that I just put a break. Okay, break is like break line. I will explain that tag in the later videos. So how to use audio tag? First of all, we have predefined audio tags. Okay, so let's use that audio tag. Audio. Now this is the audio tag. Okay, whenever you write audio, the compiler or the auto compiler feature of this app will tell you what is audio. Now what you have to do, you have to cancel this source. So you cancel it out. Now you have to put source in the audio. Source. Okay, source. Now after source you have to put what is SRC. SRC is like what is the path of the audio. So first of all, we have to import the audio in the folder. So the folder is basics web development. This is the folder. Everything is stored in this folder. Now what we'll do, we will import file. Okay, and then we will paste. We will take some audio from this. So let's start with this. Okay, I'm taking this audio and let's rename it because the audio which I've taken is very long. Let's rename it with a short name. So I will just give it the name of audio. So now the name is audio.mp3. This is the path. Okay, this is the name of the file, and this is the what will be the path. The path will be audio.mp3. Reason is because it is stored in your folder only. So I will just put it the name here, audio.mp3. Okay, after that you have to mention the type of the audio, like what is the type of the audio. So it is nothing but audio slash mpeg. Why it is mpeg? Because it is an mp3 video, and for mp3 video the type of the audio is always mpeg. Now what you have to know about this is that source is a tag, src is an attribute, type is an attribute, even audio is a tag. Now will the audio will come or not? No, the audio is not coming. Why? Because we have not provided the controls of the audio. So let's put the controls of the audio. Controls depicts that how we will control our audio. Okay, even it is an attribute of our audio tag. Let's run it and see. Okay, so now the whole feature, you can see this is the feature of the audio and it is visible to us. Let's run the audio. Okay, so our audio is working properly. We can download the audio from here. We can mute the audio. Now the audio is not playing anything. We can control everything, right? Okay, so this was all about audio tag. Now in audio tag we have a lot of features. Like we have here I have put control. Now we can also help with the feature autoplay. Now what is this feature? So this feature depicts that the video, whenever I am not giving, suppose I give muted. Okay, let's not, autoplay is not working in this app actually. Let's try with muted. Okay, now it is automatically muted. Video is automatically muted. You can see here, right? You can see here video is automatically muted, audio is automatically muted, and you can't play the audio. Now there are a lot of other attributes, okay, which you can explore, and I just want to explain you the basics of audio tag. Okay, now let's go with video tag. Okay, again video tag is similar to audio tag. You just have to mention video. Okay, after mentioning video you will get some video tag, and you have to cancel the source. You have to press enter, and then you have to again mention source with src, so you will get the video. Now you have yeah, I hope it is working. Yeah, so now you have to import the audio, import the video. Okay, so you have one here, import the files. Now you will import the video. So let's see where we can have some video. So I will take this video of video cut. Okay, I will take this video. Let's take this video and just rename it. Okay, let's rename it. I will rename it with video.mp4. Okay, I will rename it with video.mp4. Video.mp4. Okay, I have renamed it. Now we will use that audio as here with a path video.mp4. What is the type of the video? So video is nothing but video /mp4 because it is an mp4 video. We have to put the controls over here. After playing this, let's see, is it video is coming? Yeah, video is coming. Okay, the video is coming, but you can't able to watch the video completely because it is so large. So what we will do, we will provide some height and width attributes. So height should be around 60%. Okay, 60%, and width should be around 70%. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, let's play the video. Okay, so the video is playing properly. Okay, we have the download option over here and video is playing perfectly. Okay, so this is all about audio and video tags in HTML. If you want more, we can definitely go for more and more videos. And see, in audio tag you can put a lot of sources. Like suppose I have put one source audio.mp3. Again you can put second source. Again you can put third source and fourth source and so on. Now how the browser will interpret? Browser will take the video source as first come first serve. The first source which is working fine, the browser will take only that source of audio and video both. So my friends, if you want another video of this type of topics, then you can mention in the comment section. Otherwise, let's wait for the next topic, and you can host this video on